when I want to film the housekeeping needs to clean another room. So if you hear the vacuum, it's because housekeeping is cleaning another room. But what I want to talk about is the Bioma Cosmetics. It's a brand which, let's say, it newer brand, which is available at Target, and they have few products within their range. I'm sure you already saw it on YouTube, internet, other people, other creators who were talking about it. So this is not going to be in-depth review. It's going to be my talk as a customer, consumer, and a skincare lover. So let me just make it a start. Byoma, their products are made in Korea. Where are you at? Here we go. Made in Korea. However, that's the fun fact. They're from UK, Glasgow. If you go on their webpage or even their Instagram, you can find those items in Boots, which is a British drugstore retailer. There was something, I think it's called Beauty, so it's like another online retailer, Target, and somewhere else. So either way, I think it's a British brand. It's just their products are made in Korea, and also now we can buy them here at Target. Their package, it's kind of neat. It's square and it's colorful, which is, oh, okay, I like this one, which is neat because you can easily find on your skincare shelf or your cabinet, especially if you have plenty of other skincare items. I'm gonna talk about the package first. So it's square, has the name of the brand, and then tells you straight what is it. So let's say creamy jelly cleanser. Okay, you know it's a cleanser. What does it has? Ceramides, licorice rose, green tea. Okay, and then booster barrier, 175 ml, 5.9 ounce. And then on every single of their items, they'll give you like a simple skincare routine. So boost your barrier and steps. Step 1, cleanse. Step 2, tone. Step 3, treat, which is going to be a serum. Step 4, moisture, which is hydrator or a moisturizer, cream. And step 5, protect, and that's going to be your SPF. So this is really simple for someone who maybe can get lost in all those different advertisements, or you're going to go to a store and you don't know what are you looking for. Here we go, 5 steps, that's all what you need. So we have, the title site, your skincare steps, then what the product's supposed to do. And since we're talking about the cleanser, hydrate, brighten, and ultra hydrating daily cleanser, and features ceramides and all the other stuff. Here we go. Transform into a rich creamy lather to melt away the day leaving skin refresh, clean, makeup free without disrupting skin barrier. Great for all skin types. And then on the last side you have the ingredients, so you can easily see what's in it. They are very handy. Yeah, I do. Obviously, you can tell I do like the package. Now, what comes within the line? You have the cleanser, which there's only one cleanser. Then you have the toner, I should say, mist, which you can use as a toner. Then serum. I have one serum, but there are 2 others within the range. So there are 3 serums. I have one, and there is a moisturizer. And there are 2 different moisturizers. One, it's a lightened version, so I would say for no combination oily skin, and there's the heavier version, which that's the one which I have. But I'm gonna start with the step 1, which is the yellow bottle creamy jelly cleanser, and it has ceramides, licorice root, green tea. I use this one and I do like it. It comes with a pump. And once you put the pump, you have jelly cleanser, which is it is jelly. Once you add the water, it emulsifies and gives you a lot of foam. It's not a lot of foam, but you still gonna have the foam, and it will take a light makeup. Like yesterday I was wearing, I have on me brow pencil, eyeshadows, mascara, and it did took care of. I don't know about heavy or waterproof makeup. If you want something gentle in the morning, or if you didn't sweat too much and you want to refresh your face, this it's a neat cleanser. Then is there step 2, which is the spray, Balancing face mist, ceramide, probiotic, allantoin. One ingredient which you're gonna see along all of their products are ceramides. Why? Because ceramides are very important. Those are those building blocks in between our skin cells, which make the skin look way better. Returning to this item, boosted barrier, better skin. It does comes with a sprayer. Now, one minus about the sprayer. No, you cannot even see it. When you put it on your face, just go straight. So either put, let's say, spray in one spot on your face and then rub it, or spray in the palm of your hand and then just, I don't know, pat it all over your face. I wish they could improve the sprayer, but I do enjoy the juice inside, and because of it, yes, I will use this product. If you ever heard about SK2, all those probiotics and all the other stuff which are really hype up, this is like a, let's call it, cheaper alternative. Byoma products cost below $20. So yes, they are affordable. They have many good ingredients. So in case if you lost your luggage and you need to buy something which works, yes, this company is quite good. Going back to the subject, so that's the spray. And what does it do? Lightweight face mist with our tri-ceramide complex. Powerful balanced blend of allantoin probiotic to help replenish, straighten the skin microbiome. And now, mimics natural barrier function, working to calm redness for hydrated, soft, and refreshed skin. I watched overview of one of the master estheticians, and she did enjoy this product. And you know what? I'm not surprised, because if you look at the ink list, there is many good items, many good ingredients. Formulated with 3 essential lipids of the skin barrier, ceramides, cholesterol, and fatty acid, to help restore, renew, and rebalance skin. Do I like it? Yes. I do like this product, and possible I will buy it again. Then the next item is their step 3, which is treat. Yeah. Treat, boost, serum, however you want to call it. But yeah, that's the thing which works. This one is Brightening Serum, tri-ceramide complex. Again, you have ceramides with niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, boosted barrier, better skin. There were 2 other serums, one for hydration, so I assume it was bigger percentage of hyaluronic acid. And there was one more, which I don't remember what was it. However, I choose this one because it have both niacinamide, which is gonna improve your skin texture, and hyaluronic acid, which will hydrate. Plus you have the ceramide, so you have all good stuff. And what do? Visibly improve tone, texture for bright and glowing skin without compromising daily skin barrier function. I forgot to tell you how much was in it. So here's 100 ml, 3.38 ounce. This is 175, and this is 1 ounce 30, which is a typical amount for a serum. And yeah, let me just show you the texture of it. So here we go. It's a white serum, and if you ever use hyaluronic acid on or niacinamide, yeah, that's the actual color of it. Last product or last step to their collection is their moisturizer. Obviously you're gonna apply SPF afterwards, but talking about the moisturizer, that's one for dry skin, or should say moisturizing rich cream with ceramides, bakuchiol oil, and shea extract. There is another one which is light in texture, but it's for combination oily skin, because I have dry skin. That's the one which I took. And you can use any moisturizer. What you put before it, that's what is important. And even though it has shea butter, it's not really as heavy. It glides smoothly and will provide the hydration. Possibly I apply it too fast, but yeah, so here we go. And yes, again, comes in a square container with a pump, which is neat. And what do you have? Rich moisturizing cream formulated with our tri-ceramide complex, plus restorative blend of bakuchiol oil, shea extract. Together they intensely hydrate smooth skin for bouncy dewy results, a stronger skin barrier. And they give you the ingredients list. And you have, what was it? Which is 1.7 ounce. My opinion about the line, I think those are the innovative products, and also because they're been simplified. The regular customer will not get uh, lost, will not get lost. Why? Because you have 4 steps which are easy to follow. You have cleanser, toner, serum, and moisturizer. In reality, if you want to skip it, you can just skip the serum, stay with 3 steps, and then follow up with your moisturizer. Also, if you want to start somewhere, this is a neat line and it's affordable. It's below $20, so you can easily buy it and sell. And Target, they also have different kind of a promotion when there is either 15% off or spend, I don't know, maybe $20 or $30. They're gonna give you some cash back. But I'm gonna talk about individual product and if I will purchase or not. The cleanser, it's nice. You're getting a lot of product. It's 5, let's say almost 6 ounce. So yes, it is a neat, comes with a pump, and because all those items coming in a plastic container, they're gonna be perfect for travel. Maybe not in your carry-on, but your regular check-in luggage, yeah, there will do the job. Cleanser, no, there is nothing wrong with it, and it have blend of good ingredients. Will I repurchase? I don't know, but so far I like it. With the toner, yes, I do enjoy the toner because of the good ingredients. I don't mind repurchasing another one, and you do get a lot. It's 100 ml, 3.38 ounce, and sometimes certain companies, they gonna overcharge you for something which you could buy way cheaper, and that's one of those items. I do enjoy the serum, and I like that it has blend of ingredients. So instead of me having a separate hyaluronic acid, separate niacinamide, separate peptide, separate something else, guess what? I just have one product which I'm putting on my face. Do I like it? Yes. Will I repurchase? To be find out, maybe not at the moment, because I have many other products in my skincare stash which I have to use it first. Then with the moisturizer, I like the sleek package. I like that it has a pump. It's kind of a modern looking, and it's a simple moisturizer. There's nothing wrong with it. If I will lost my luggage and there is Target around me, yeah, I don't mind going and rebuying this product because there is nothing wrong with it and it is kind of neat. If I'm gonna go and rebuy it right now, no, because similarly as with the serum, I have other products which I have to use that first. But the line by itself, yes, it has my approval and I like it. And it's one of the things which you can be happily surprised. Not all the items are, let's say, necessary. Yeah, they have, let's say, 4 items within the range, but guess what? Maybe you just want to stick with the toner or maybe the moisturizer. Like, because I'm showing you doesn't mean you have to go and buy it. This is my opinion. So in that case, you can form yours. And in case if you're gonna be in a need of a new skincare product, guess what? At least there was someone who tried before it. So you don't have to waste your money. Anyway, I see you next time. Bye.